Hi guys, welcome back to another exciting video. In this video, I'm just going to do a walkthrough of the updates I specified in our previous video. Before I start, if you're new here, please do us a favor and like this video. Okay, without further ado, in the last video when we posted a giveaway, we said that we're going to design 3 logos for 3 persons, and to participate, you simply comment the name of the logo you want and share the video so that your friends can come and like the comment. So far, a lot of people have posted their request, but I'm still leaving it open in case you're just finding it out. These are the comments we've gotten so far. I'll drop a link to the video in the description section, our giveaway video, where you will see the details about the giveaway and how you too can participate. We'll be announcing the winners for the giveaway by the end of the month, so like that will be around next week end. So there's still time to participate and time to be a winner in it as well. So that's it about that. Another thing I want to mention is the channel update I specified. Before now, I noticed a lot of complaints on our comment section about the URL shortener we use to share resources. That's partly because we don't have a server where we can host our resources, but I want to announce to you that we've officially launched our web app, which is accessible at ndmediadesigns.com. So with this web app, you can download resources for each video while still creating all the tutorials and creating text-based tutorials for each video on our YouTube channel, and it has been taking up a lot of time, which is why we've not been very active on YouTube. So this is the landing page of the app, and click on this tutorials link and it will take you to the blog app. From here you can read about us and the services we offer. Aside sharing content on YouTube, we also offer web development, branding, and content creation. So in case you or anyone you know needs our services, feel free to reach out to us through our website. I'll put a link to that in the description section of this video as well. Also, on the website, you can also subscribe to our newsletter to receive timely updates. I won't waste much of your time. I will just take you through to the blog app. So this is how the blog looks. First, we'll have this category for articles, and below that we'll have another category for latest YouTube videos before showing out all our posts. So from here you can find all the tutorials that has been posted for now. We are still amping up production and creating tutorials for each video. So to download the resources for a particular video, let's say I click on this how to make a logo on Android video. So you will see text-based tutorials where you can follow along with, and it goes in details, because we don't really talk on our YouTube videos. You can follow along with this and get to learn a lot about Pixel Lab from here as well. So below the posts you will see this link to download resources. Once you click on it, it will take you to the direct Google Drive link, and you can download it from there. In addition, if you want to watch the videos, you can also stream it from the app directly without having to go through to the YouTube website. So you can watch each video, the video related to any tutorial, any article from the app without having to go through YouTube. And another thing, you can also place comments. Like for example, this is a comment from one of our users. So to comment, you will need to log in, or if you don't have an account, you have to register for an account. before you can be able to place a comment. So aside that, we'll have this really cool recent post tab. So when you are viewing a post, you can see all the recent articles on the website. We also have this category filtering, where you can click on a particular category and it will show you all the posts in that category. For instance, I click on this projects category, for example. It will take me to all the posts in the projects category. For now, there are no posts in that category, so I will click on another link. Let's say this article category. So these are all the posts in article category. You can click on an individual post and it will take you to the post as well. You can also use the search feature. For instance, you want to search for PicsArt. It will show you any post that is related to PicsArt. So this is a tutorial on how to blur background in PicsArt. We'll have a video about that on our YouTube channel as well. And once you click on the post, it will take you to the post where you can learn more about it, and also a link to watch the video right from this app. So that's it. The goal of this app is mainly to share text-based tutorial and to offer a place where our subscribers can access our resources without having to go through a third party like Avaya or Shoutmeloud normally use. So below that, you'll see our footer section. You can learn more about us, you can read our privacy policy, or you go through our services to see the full details of the services we render. Right below that, you can see the links to all our social media handles. From here, you can go back to our YouTube channel and it will take you to the YouTube channel. So that's it, guys. On our channel, we'll have a ton of videos on Pixellab. In the description section of this video, we'll link to most of our popular videos and beginner video in Pixellab so you can get started. So that's it for this video. Subsequently, each video will publish or will put a link to download the resources from this website, ndmediadesigns.com. So what do you think about the app? Let us know in the comment section. And if you think there's anything we need to add, please let us know as well in the comment section. We will appreciate your feedback so we can improve and serve you better. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.